Jynxzi, enjoy the keyboard. Jax? Wait! I saw this guy's TikTok while he was making it. Guys, it is heavy. Okay, this is gonna be sick. No way. Jax! No way! Oh my god! Oh my god! Chat, it is a keyboard of a screenshot taken of the greatest stream we've ever done on this channel. Oh! Bro, he packaged this so nicely. Is this Black Ice? Bro, it's Black Ice themed keyboard. And it is a historical moment of the greatest stream we've ever done on this channel. Chat, oh my god, there's a Jynxzi keycap at the top. I just noticed that. Jax, this is literally beautiful, bro.